Hello students, hello viewers, hope you all are fine. This is my second video in this channel. Today I am going to explain on the topic what is file, what are the different types of file, what is a folder, what is the basic difference between a folder and a file, and how to create a folder, and at last which is the easiest and quickest way to create a folder, or we can say the shortcut method to create a folder. So let's start the video. So files are anything which we make in computer and we save it. So it may be in the form of text or image or audio or video. So suppose I have opened a page and I have typed something and I have saved it, so it will be a file which will be in the form of text. And if I take a photograph and if I save it, then it will be an image file. If I record a music and I save it, then it will be a music file. And if I record a video and save it, then it will be a video file. So basically a file is an object which contains information in the form of text or image or music or video. So hope you all have understood. Now next come to the second part of the topic, that is what are the types of the file. We can divide the file in various categories. First is document file. So document files are those files which are created on Notepad, WordPad, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint and other similar softwares. So here you can see in desktop most of the files are document files. Here you can see this files is a document file which has been created on MS Excel. This is another files which has been created on MS Word. And again another file is there. Suppose this is another file which has been created on MS PowerPoint. So these are examples of some document files. The second type of file is multimedia files. Multimedia files are those files which are created using various image editing softwares or video editing softwares. We can say if I record a video, so these video files will be called multimedia files, which can be in the format of MP4, 3GP or AVI, and music files can be in the format of MP3, web, etc. So these are the various examples. So I will show you what are the various multimedia files. Here you can see these files are .3GP, that means this is an extension of this video file. Again this is, you can see this is another video file of extension MP4. These are called multimedia file. Here you can see one audio file is there with the extension .mp3. This is also another type of multimedia file. So let's come to the third type of file, that is executable files. Executable files are those files which by double clicking which we can install a particular program or a software. Here you can see the files with the extension .exe are executable files. If we double click on this particular icon or the software, we can install it in the computer. So these are the examples of executable files. The type of file is the system files. System files are those files without which a computer cannot function properly. So these files come as a part of the operating system for it to function well. These files are hidden from view by default in Windows to prevent any accidental deletion, and these files come with the extension .sys, .dll, etc. So I will show you some system files. Here you can see Here you can see 3 files are there with the extension .dll. So these are the example, these are the files of type system files. So these are the various types of files. Now next come to the topic of what is a folder. Folder is a storage area where we can keep files in an organized manner. We can create subfolder also inside a folder, and it looks like a briefcase in yellow color. You can see this is a folder. This is a system folder, and you can see the color of the folder is yellow and it looks like a briefcase. So inside a folder we can keep files and other folders also. Next come to the part of the topic is what is the basic difference between file and a folder. So the basic difference between a file and a folder is that file stores data and information, whereas a folder stores files and other folders. So next topic is what are the ways to create a folder. So we can create a folder in 2 ways. The first method is you move to the location where you want to create a folder and then right click on the location, and then one menu will appear. Here in the menu you click on new and then click on the option folder. So a folder with the name new folder will be created. You can type a new name, and then press enter. So I have created a folder with the name M1. I have renamed the folder with the name M1. So this is the first method by which we can create a folder. There is another method, and that is the shortcut method to create a folder, which is if you want to create a folder, suppose I want to create a folder in F folder. So move to the location where you want to create a folder. So I have come to the F folder, F drive, then I will press Ctrl Shift and N from the keyboard. So the folder will be created. Here you can see a folder with the name new folder has been created. You can rename it with another name. I am giving a new name, suppose M2, and then I am pressing enter from the keyboard. So this is the shortcut method to create a folder. So these are the various topics I have explained in this video. I hope you all have understood. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.